Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you on how you can add Google reviews to Wix website. So just for this example, I've added a section right here where I can put the Google reviews for you to see it clearly. So the first thing that you'll need to do is you have to click on the plus icon or the add elements at the left side of your screen. Okay, now that you're here, just click on the embed code. Okay, and then click on the embed HTML. Then once you've done that, you have to input here the code. Now to get a code, you just have to visit the outside.com. So I'll leave a link in the description below. So here, when you go to the widgets, and then right here, you'd be able to see widgets that you can use. And you can see here the Google reviews. This is the bestseller, one of the bestsellers. So you just have to click on it. Now just click on the create widget at the top right of your screen. Okay, so when you scroll down, as you can see, here is now our template to start with. So you can choose whether you want the carousel widget, the badge widget, the grid widget, or the floating badge. Okay, so you just have to select the template that you think is the best for your website. So there are a lot of template right here that you can choose, and once you choose the template that you want to use, so just for this example, I want to use the carousel widget. So you just have to click on continue with this widget. So right here, it's either use your Google Place ID from Google My Business or find your place by business name and address so that you can import your reviews. So just for this example, I want to use this website, so the offsite, and then just click on enter. So right here, I'm just going to click on this one. Then after that, I'd be able to see the reviews from this website. Okay, now the next thing that you can do is to go to the layout right here and then choose the layout that you want to use. So you've got the carousel, grid, list, floating badge, and slider. So you can choose any of these choices. So for example, I want to use the carousel. And then after selecting your layout, so you just have to click on customize. So make sure that you choose the right layout for your reviews, because it is one of the things that you have to consider so that the people will be able to see that your reviews are in good template or good layout. Okay, so just scroll down and click on customize. So right here, you can customize the carousel layout for the columns. You have your rows, and then you also have the item spacing. So let's start with the rows. So you can select how many rows right here. And then when you go to the next one, you also have the item spacing. So you just have to select the spacing that you want. Then the autoplay, so you can toggle the switch on if you want to. And then just click on done if you want it to be play in automatic mode. And here you also have the animation if you want the speed to be fast or slow. So you can drag this cursor, and right here, you also had the display paginations. If you want to enable this one, just toggle the switch on. You also have the navigation arrows. So you just have to toggle the switch on as well. And for the show arrows only on the hover, so you can also do that. And you also have the swipe navigation. So you just have to toggle the switch on or off according to your want. Okay, and then you also have the RTL right here. So if you want to enable the RTL, you just have to toggle the switch on, and then after that, just go back. And right here, you also have the option for the reviews as well as the color. So here, when you go ahead and then click on the reviews, you've got options right here as well that you can do for the style and review source style. Here, you also have the color, okay, for the style. So here, the color scheme, you can choose any of this color or you can add a new color. And then right here, when you go down, you'd be able to see here the options for background. So for background, you can change the color as well. So for this example, I want to use a dark color, so maybe this one. Then just click on done to save your changes. Then here, the widget title, you just have to select the color as well. You also have the option to choose the alignments of the widget title. So for the color, maybe I want to use this one. And then once you're done selecting the color that you need, just click on done. And then right here, you've got different options for the header as well. You can also change the source logo color. Make sure to choose the appropriate color to be able to make everything visible as possible. And then once you're done, just click on done to save your changes. And right here, you can explore the these things that you can also change the color. So there are lots of options right here that you can add it. So once you finalize everything right here, just go back right here and then just click on add to website for free. Okay, then before that, you have to log into your account or create your account. So right now, I'm just going to use this email address and then click on confirm. And once you're done, you'd be able to see here now the widget that you choose and you edited. Okay, so let's go back to Wix. How could be able to embed the code of this template to our Wix website? So right here you can see I need a code to embed the template. So go back to our site once again. Okay, and then right here, just click on the close option at the top right side of your screen. And then just click on the three dots right here below the create widget. And then click on embed code. Okay, and then right here you have to pick a plan. So you've got a free plan, so you just have to select a plan if you want to try the outside for free for the first time. Then just click on the copy code. Then once you copy the code, just go back to the Wix website and then paste here the code that you have copied. Now you just have to click on update to save your changes. And then once you're done, as you can see, I have successfully embedded the code of the Google reviews in my Wix website. Okay, so you just have to resize this template. So go to each of the corners and then you just have to drag the edges so you'd be able to resize the image and to see or to show the full view of the template. Okay, so as you can see, and then after that you just have to publish, but before publishing you just have to click on the preview to preview your template. Okay, and if you want to make some editing, so you can do that, just go back to the app site and then embed the code once again in your Wix website. Then once you're done, you just have to click on the publish option at the top right of your screen to save it. And then right here, if you want to access all of the features or all of the widgets in the app side, so you can actually subscribe to their plan, to any of their plans. They have different plans that you can pay annually or monthly. So if you are just a starter, I suggest that you try the free plan. And then after that, if your website is getting bigger or you've got a big store, so just go with the basic. And then after that, just go with the rest of the plan that you think you need for your website. So let's go back to the outside for you to see the different plans. Okay, now go back to my apps. So here, and then just click on upgrade. So here you'd be able to see the different plans. You've got a free plan, the basic plan, the pro plan, and the premium plan. So right here in the free plan, you've got unlimited website, 200 reviews, one widget. And for the basic, you've got unlimited website, 5,000 reviews, you've got three widgets. And for the pro plan, we've got 50,000 views, and nine widgets, three projects. And for the premium, we've got unlimited website as well, 150,000 views, and 21 widgets. So you just have to select the plan that you think you need for your website. Okay, so that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.